Hello viewers and hello students, welcome to this video on the discussion of a beautiful story, The Tale of a Tale, from your English reader book given on page number 12. Now let us know something about the author, about the writer of this beautiful story. The author of this story is Mr. R.K. Narayan. His full name was Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. He was popularly known as R.K. Narayan. He was born on 10th October 1906 at Chennai, then known as Madras, in Tamil Nadu. He died on 13 May 2001 when he was 94 years old at Chennai in Tamil Nadu. He is the brother of the famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, who used to draw beautiful cartoons, funny cartoons for the Times of India newspaper. Some of the famous work of R.K. Narayan are Malgudi Days, Swami and His Friends, and a famous novel, The Guide. Malgudi Days and Swami and His Friends were made into super hit serials, and the novel The Guide was made into a film starring Dev Anand and Wahida Rahman. This film won the Filmfare Award for the best writer, the best story, and for the best film. Some of the awards and honors won by R.K. Narayan are Sahitya Academy Award, the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan. He was also nominated as a Rajya Sabha member for 6 years in the year 1989. So that was a short introduction about the author R.K. Narayan. Now let us discuss the story as given in your English reader. The title of the story is The Tale of a Tale. This story has been taken from his famous novel Swami and His Friends. Now here are some characters of the story. Swaminathan, Mani, Somu, Rajam, P, and Shankar. And this is Tamil Pandit, their teacher. So now let's have a look at the story, what happens and what action takes place in the story. When Swaminathan entered the 5th grade classroom, that means class 5, a giggle went round the benches. Giggle means to laugh softly. He walked to his seat hoping that he might not be the cause of the giggling. But his classmates continued to laugh. He looked at himself and then around the classroom. His eyes traveled up to the blackboard. His face turned red. On the board was written in huge letters, Tail, T-A-I-L, Tail. Swaminathan ran to the blackboard and rubbed it off with his hands. He slowly turned around. His friend Shankar's head was bent over his notebook, and P was busy unpacking his bag. Swami felt very embarrassed. Without a word, he approached P and gave him a fierce slap on his cheek. P burst into tears and swore that he did not do it. Swaminathan cast a sly look at Shankar, who was absorbed in some work. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face also. Soon there was a pandemonium. Shankar, Swaminathan, and P rolling over each other, tearing, scratching, and kicking one another. So you can see, students, it is written in very simple and lucid style. स्वामीनाथन क्लास के अंदर आता है. स्वामीनाथन को देख के सारे दोस्त धीरे धीरे हंसने लगते हैं और स्वामीनाथन को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. फिर वो ब्लैक बोर्ड देखता है कि उस पर लिखा हुआ है टेल. वो जल्दी से उस टेल को मिटा देता है एंड देन ही रशेस टू शंकर एंड पी और दोनों को एक एक थप्पड़ मारता है. बिकॉज ही सस्पेक्ट्स, वो शक करता है कि शायद पी और शंकर माइट हैव रिटन टेल, और इसी बात पे तीनों का झगड़ा हो जाता है. सो लेट अस नाउ वॉच अ क्लिपिंग फ्रॉम the serial Swami and his friends, the same incident.
मैंने नहीं लिखा, किताबों की कसम. मुझे क्यों मारा? तूने बोर्ड पर पूंछ क्यों लिखा? मैंने नहीं लिखा. तो किसने लिखा? मैंने नहीं लिखा. तूने उसे क्यों मारा? तू कौन होता है बीच में बोलने वाला? मैं इस क्लास का मॉनिटर हूँ. क्या बे?
Now here are some word meanings from page number 12. Giggle, it means to laugh softly. Face turned red, it is an idiom. It means to get angry. Your face turns red when you get angry. Embarrassed means to feel confused and ashamed. Sharminda hona. Burst into tears, it is again an idiom. It means cried bitterly. Now this piece of story is full of idioms. बहुत सारे idioms आपको मिलेंगे. Fierce, with a great force or very very violent. Cast a sly look, it is again an idiom. It means to look at someone cunningly. Pandemonium, it means a lot of noise and confusion. Halla gulla hona. Now here are some comprehension questions from page number 12 of the story Tale of a Tale. Question number 1. Why did Swami's friends giggle? Why did Swami's friends giggle? Question number 2. Whom did Swami slap? Question number 3. Which 3 students started fighting in the class? Question number 4. True or false? Swami was happy to see the word tail on the blackboard. You have to write true or false. Question number B, 4B. Swami thought P or Shankar must have written tail. True or false? Question number 5. Find the words from the passage which mean. Number A, journeyed, moved. आपको एक ऐसा वर्ड निकालना है जिसका मीनिंग सिमिलर हो journeyed से या moved से. Number B, very big. Which word in page 12 means very big? Number C, to look at someone cunningly. प्लीज फाइंड आउट एन एक्सप्रेशन, सिंगल वर्ड नहीं है, इट मे बी मोर देन वन वर्ड. To look at someone cunningly, which expression means this one? Now you have to find out the answers to all these comprehension questions from page number 12. Please read it carefully and try to understand the context and answer the comprehension questions. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Have a great day.